Hey guys, today we are in Citroen C3 and I'm going to show you how to set your windscreen wipers into service position, so it's easier to replace your wiper blades. So when you are inside the car with your doors closed, you need to turn on the ignition, then turn it off and press the wiper stalk downwards single time and your wipers will go to the service position. And now let me show you the interesting part. So with the wipers in service position, it's much easier to reach to both of them from one side, and you will not damage your paint job over here. You don't have to lean over the hood to reach to the outer one. But the interesting thing over here is that you cannot fold those arms. There's a restriction, some kind of restriction over here. If you try to do it, you will not be able to do it. Same over here. There's a limit of how high you can lift those wiper blades. So after lifting them and releasing the wiper blade, you need to still have something over here protecting your windscreen from damaging it with the wiper arm. Okay, and once your wiper blades are replaced, now you can set those wipers, this mechanism, to the normal position. Back in the car, ignition on, and with ignition on, once again press the wiper stalk, and wipers are going back to the parked position. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.